we continue our experiment on surpassing AMC. I remind you that I tasked social media to surpass AMC, dispel myths related to the AMC company. In the previous video, I mentioned that everything the bloggers tell you about AMC and the incredible short squeeze, the main short squeeze, is all fiction. Let's look at real examples, and I prove that it is possible to surpass AMC. In trading, no blogger will show you this. Here are real deals. Let's recap what happened. The experiment started on January 16th, and I bought 2380 AMC shares. Currently, AMC is priced at $4.17, and from the starting point, AMC has fallen by 0.75. I mark it here with red. It went up here and fell. In this period, AMC has fallen. I sold some puts during this time, and they are still active. What will I do with these puts now? Let's first see how they look at the moment. Again, a disclaimer. Do not follow my trades. Everything I show is purely professional. If you don't know how to manage options, you will lose everything. So don't follow my trades. Currently, as you can see, my total positions in AMC are profitable. 107, 2N, 6, 221, 15, 23, 23, and all others summed up give us a profit. Do you understand what I'm saying? Meanwhile, AMC has fallen, and we made a profit. What does this tell us? Everyone who bought options lost, and those who sold options won. I sell options, I sell volatility on AMC, but it needs to be done extremely skillfully. I deliberately put a short table here so that no one repeats my trades. If you have any questions, email me and I'll help you out of the AMC situation. I will simply roll over AMC to the next week and take this table. So I moved 4 contracts to the next week and 5.5 contracts to 2 weeks ahead. Look at what we got. They paid me $7 for each 4.5, so I received $70 for 5.5. They paid me $2 for 5s. They paid me $6. And commissions will account for everything, but I must emphasize that this is a virtual account. Therefore, the spreads are incredibly large here. On a real account, everything is much better and more profitable. Until this position is closed, I just add it here. 70 for the 4.5s, x6 for commissions, so it's effectively 64. This is my future profit. Also, for the 5.5s, they paid me $20, $2 for each option, and I had 10 minus $10 in commission. Therefore, here we add 10. And for the 5s, they paid me $6, so $60 minus $14 in commission. Therefore, it's $46. For now, there's no profit here because the profit is not yet fixed for AMC, but the time decay works very effectively. I again repeat, never sell options if you don't know how to do it. Better consult with professionals. Let's look at AMC now. Currently, it looks like this. Again, I will not predict the price movement. My task is solely to surpass AMC. All my trades and position management are based solely on surpassing. I build a position so that when AMC falls, I lose little through put option selling, but with insurance. And if AMC starts to rise, I gain a lot. I will not talk about any short squeeze on AMC. I guarantee you that there won't be one. And all the noise that bloggers talk about, I will trade strictly. Now, let me open another position on AMC. I will buy calls to hedge future call selling. I buy calls not to make a profit, but to hedge future call sales. Don't confuse, please, my friends. How do I choose call selling? Look at how professionals work. First, we choose 6 months. Second, we choose the dates I need, farther dates. I look at the implied volatility. Simultaneously, I have all the options on AMC open. Let's look at the date, September 24th. Okay, September 24th has a volatility of 100A2. January has a volatility of 100. Good. Let's look at the 3D visualization of volatility. You won't see anything like this anywhere else. Professionals work here. I decided to buy COLA for January 25. Let's fix this in the table. And, of course, add the $6 commission. Again, never buy calls on AMC. I guarantee you'll lose everything. I bought calls on AMC solely for the purpose of selling calls later and using these calls as a hedge, purely for this. I'm not trying to profit from these calls. Be professionals. I will continue recording trading videos on how I manage AMC. Did you like it? Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. If anyone has questions or needs help, contact me by email.